So now let's see how we can work around with the map color options inside of GIMP. So if I were to go around over here onto the colors menu, then over here you can see that map is an option. And there are many different types of color mapping option right here. Like for example, there's alien map right here. So you can go around and change around the red frequency, as you can see right here, the green frequency and the blue frequency, and even shift the red phase, green phase, and blue phase right here. You can keep the red component right here, or the green component right here, or the blue component, or all of the components right here, just like this. And that is how you can alienate the color. You can change around the opacity, as you can see right here, and work around with the color model as well for hue, saturation, and lightness right here. Hue, saturation, and lightness phase shift right here. You can keep the hue component, the saturation component, and the lightness component right here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and work around with the map color option inside of GIMP. So if I were to go around over here onto, let's say for example, onto a filter again right here, then you can also see that in the map color you get the color exchange right here, where you can go around and change around the red threshold, the blue threshold, and so forth, as you can see right here. Apart from that, you can go around over here and rotate out the colors as well. So you can change around the red range from the source right here, just like this, the destination range, and the gray handling around over here as well. Apart from that, you can go around over here onto, let's say for example, gradient map right here, where you can add in a gradient map, right, just like this, as you can see right here. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here. And then you can also go around onto palette map right here, and a palette is applied right here. And then you can also go for sample colorize option right here, just like this. And then this is what you have. You can go around and change around the selection right here, just like this, destination and sample, and then apply up the color right here, just like this. You can go around, change around the input levels, as you can see right here, apply it out, and then you can see that it can be turned into black and white. So that is how you can go around and work around with color mapping option inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.